Welcome to your Python journey. Over the next 100 projects, you'll transform from a beginner to a Python pro. Let's dive into what you'll learn. We'll start with the basics. You'll learn how to print "Hello World," build a simple calculator, and create fun games like rock, paper, scissors, and guess the number. These projects will help you understand fundamental programming concepts. Next, we'll step it up a notch. You'll create a to-do list app, a weather app, and even a web scraper. These projects will introduce you to web development, APIs, and data handling. Ready for more? You'll build a blog website, an e-commerce platform, and a movie recommendation system. These projects will teach you about databases, user authentication, and machine learning. Now, it's time to tackle some challenging projects. You'll create an AI chatbot, a face recognition system, and even a self-driving car simulation. These projects will push your skills to the limit and introduce you to advanced AI and machine learning techniques. You're almost at the top. You'll develop a smart home system, an autonomous drone, and an AI-powered financial advisor. These projects will combine everything you've learned and prepare you for real-world applications. Finally, you work on cutting-edge projects like AI for space exploration, advanced robotics, and personalized learning systems. These projects will showcase your mastery of Python and your ability to solve complex problems. By the end of these 100 projects, you'll have a deep understanding of Python and the confidence to tackle any programming challenge. You can access all the projects at this link. So, what are you waiting for? Let's get started on this incredible journey.